How to remove payment method from Facebook ads account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can remove the payment methods from Facebook ads account. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First of all, you need to log into the Meta Business Suite account of the Facebook. That is business.facebook.com. After that, you need to log in using your Facebook page that you want to remove the payment method from. So here, just navigate to the all tools section, and when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see this billing and payments option. Simply click on it and it may take a while to load. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're gonna do is here you'll be able to see the three options called accounts, payment methods and payment activity. So here you may just either go to the payment activity section, or you may either go to the payment method option. Here you can see this payment activity option. Let me just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be able to see here this option. So we're going to go to the payment methods instead. And here you'll be able to see this add your business payment method option. So if you have added any of your payment method like your Visa card or PayPal or any of those, here you will be able to see it. What you're going to do is simply hit the remove option. If you click on it, you should be able to see your remove option. Simply click on it, and just like that, it will be removed from your Facebook page. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to remove it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.